How to restart Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to restart your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Whether your device is just acting up or completely frozen, I'll show you two simple ways to get it back on the track. Let's get started. Method 1. Normal restart. First, let's look at a regular way to restart your tablet. Just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. After a few seconds, you will see the power menu appear on the screen. Now tap on Restart. Then confirm by tapping Restart again. Your tablet will now reboot normally. Method 2. Quick Settings. Another easy way to restart is through the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down from the top of the screen twice to open the full quick panel. Tap on the power icon at the top right corner. Then, just like before, tap Restart and confirm. Simple as that. Bonus: first restart if frozen. Now, what if your tablet is frozen or not responding at all? Don't worry, just press and hold the power button and the volume down for about 10 seconds. This will force the tablet to restart, even if the screen is stuck. Additional tips. Tip 1. If your tablet keeps freezing often, check for software updates in Settings, Software Update. Keep your system up to date can fix many bugs. Tip 2. If you're using a case or a screen protector, make sure it's not blocking the buttons. Sometimes that's why it feels unresponsive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.